Have you ever wondered if the laws of physics as we know them are universal? Do they apply uniformly across the vast expanse of the cosmos, or could they shift and change in alternate realities or distant corners of the universe? Let's embark on a fascinating exploration of this concept. Gravity, electromagnetism, the nuclear forces, these are the building blocks of our physical world. They form the rules of the game, the laws of physics that govern everything from the tiniest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies. But what if these aren't the only rules? What if somewhere out there in the vast expanse of the cosmos, or in an alternate reality, the laws of physics are different? This is not just a fanciful idea. Some of the brightest minds in theoretical physics have proposed that our universe may not be the only one. These multiverses, as they're called, could have different physical laws entirely. Perhaps in one of these universes, gravity repels instead of attracts. Or maybe electromagnetism doesn't exist at all. The possibilities are as endless as they are mind-boggling. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. These are theories, highly speculative ones at that. While they provide a rich source of ideas for science fiction writers, they are yet to gain widespread acceptance in the scientific community. The reason is simple. We have no evidence. We have yet to find any hint, any indication that the laws of physics as we know them do not apply universally. It's also worth noting that these theories, while fascinating, are not without their problems. They raise more questions than they answer. If there are multiple universes with different laws of physics, why do we find ourselves in this one? Is there something special about our universe, or is it just a cosmic accident? In conclusion, the idea that the laws of physics could be different in other regions of the universe or in alternate realities is a tantalizing one. It stretches our understanding of the cosmos and challenges our definitions of reality. But as of now, it remains firmly in the realm of speculation. Until we find evidence to the contrary, the laws of physics as we know them remain universal, governing everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. You're not just looking at stars and galaxies, you're looking at the grand tapestry of the cosmos, woven together by the universal laws of physics. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll discover that this tapestry is far more complex and diverse than we ever imagined.